All right, so we're transitioning out of the kitchen now. We're gonna pick up this little eat-in right here off the kitchen before we get to our family room. All right, and then we even got some, our vent covers and the plug-ins throughout the home. They're all painted, so you probably haven't even noticed them as we've been going through, but they're definitely all over. We really like that. We're coming into our family room now, still running with exposed beams, and this custom rock fireplace is absolutely exquisite. I mean, amazing. The attention to detail throughout this home, I know you're going to thoroughly enjoy. It's hard to capture all this on camera, but it is amazing. All right, and we got a screened-in porch off the family room here. I want you guys to be able to see. Fantastic. Still running with some great views of the property here. Accompanies this amazing home. All right, we still got a lot more to show you.